Hello and everyone. My name Annadatte ma'am. Today we will discuss on basketful of moonlight. Oh, give me moonlight, basketful or two baskets full with seeds of moonlight. In these lights, the poet is a request of a child to the moon. The child requests it to give him one or two basketful of seeds of moonlight. From the city to my village, on the sides of the path, I want to saw many small moons of light. The whole village goes to the city daily to work. In these lights, he wishes to saw the small moons of light along the roads from the city to village. According to the child, the whole village goes to the city for work. It becomes dark on its way back as my village is quite far. The route is tough and full of snakes. The poet described the villager's life, which is full of dangerous and child's love for his father. Neither bus nor cart flies when my father returns home as I am asleep. So, in this lights, the villagers have to tread the same path as there is no cart or bus service. As he goes back early in the morning when I am sleeping, so his father will come home early. He is always asleep. By the time his father returns home from work, oh moon, give me a basketful of moonlight on loan. I want to light the dark route so that my village returns early. I too want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. So the child repeats his request for a basketful of moonlight on loan. So his father will come home early and tell him stories. Oh moon, give me a basketful of moonlight. I want to sow seeds of moon on the slides of the path. In these slides, the child requests, oh moon, give me basketful of moonlight so that he can sow the seeds of moon on the sides of the path that leads to the village. Come early to their home. Thank you.